Hello and welcome back to Ash and Ash. Today I have some amazing things to show you guys. Basically मैंने आप लोगों के लिए लाया है नाइट वेयर एंड लाउंज वेयर का कुछ ऑप्शंस which I ordered from Amazon. Honestly, it is too hot in Mumbai right now, and trust me, you need these three cotton night wears. It's a night suit combination, sort of a cord one, and I will try it on and show it to you guys so that you guys can decide. Honestly, finding some good quality loose fitting night suits for plus size is a task online, which is why I've got your back. And without further ado, let's get started. Before I show you guys कि मैंने क्या क्या लाया है, let me tell you, all of this you can get under rupees 1000. As always, I'll share with you guys what I love about these, what I do not like about these, and the price point. So let's get started. Okay, so moving on to the first one. The first one here is this buttoned night suit shirt and pant set. Basically, it's a cord nightwear or a lounge wear. It has very cute anchor print in it. And trust me, this is so soft that I love it way too much. Honestly, I was not expecting this good quality. It is quite thick, not see-through at all, and you can wear it very comfortably. If you see here, the fitting is so loose and comfortable. There's nothing that I can complain of. Even the buttons do not open up. Sometimes whenever the shirt is tight, the buttons tend to have gaps in between, but this one doesn't even have that gap as well. Trust me, this is your go-to if you have to get this, and there is nothing that I hate about this one. This one retails just at rupees 899. I mean, like, come on, such a steal deal. And when I checked, there are way too many options in this one. You can get different prints, different colors, different sizes, all of it. Even they have sizes up to 4XL, if I'm not wrong. So this one is an absolute thumbs up from my end. Okay, so the next one that I have here is this Miss Meow yellow loungewear or night suit cord set. Again, this is a pant and a sort of short kurti type set. It has few buttons at the start, but later on it does not have any button or anything. It's very pretty yellow color. However, it's a little transparent. It's a little see-through if you want to wear it outside, but the fitting is really nice. The pant size could have been a little more comfortable, but I think it's going to fit different on different body types, so it's all right. It's very lightweight, very comfortable, does not prick anywhere on the skin, does not irritate at all. तो इसको तो मैं definitely उस चीज के लिए thumbs up दूंगी. Size wise या comfort wise थोड़ा better हो सकता था. From the price point, this is again at just 899 rupees, and I think under 899 this is a really good option if you want to wear something for these summers, because garmi bahut hai and you really need something lightweight and you know in cotton जहाँ पे आप बहुत comfortable feel करोगे. So this is your go-to. And the last one here is this absolutely cutest with a hard pocket, this brown colored night suit and pant cord set. So again, this is something in the cotton and khadi material. Sometimes my skin does get a little irritated because of the khadi mix that it has, but the fit and the comfort, it's thumbs up, like absolutely thumbs up. The pockets, the pocket has this sort of a cutout embroidery. There were a few loose strings, एक दो धागा निकल गया इसमें से, बट आई थिंक ओवरऑल कहीं पे भी स्टिचिंग या क्वालिटी का बाकी मुझे कोई इशू नहीं आया. सो आई फील दिस इज अनदर स्टील डील इफ यू आर नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद स्लीवलेस या फिर इवन हाफ स्लीव्स फॉर दैट मैटर. आप ये खरीद सकते हो बिकॉज दिस इज अ फुल स्लीव. इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी नाइस. ये थोड़ा क्रेप हो जाता है, सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन गेट इट आयरन, बट आई यूजुअली वांट टू वेयर इट एट होम, सो आई डू नॉट आयरन द क्लोथ्स दैट आई वेयर एट होम ऑनेस्टली. but again it's very nice. The button quality is good, कहीं पे भी buttons का gap नहीं नजर आता है, and the color is so pretty. However, there's a catch here. So this one on Amazon retails at 1240 under the brand Say करके कुछ तो है, बट यही सेम चीज अगर आप जेप्टो पे देखो तो ये मुझे मिल गया था अंडर ₹600. सो कैन यू गाइस बिलीव इट? आई मीन इट्स लाइक हाफ द प्राइस, राइट? बट ये मैंने पता नहीं कैसे आई जस्ट फिगर्ड दिस आउट कि जेप्टो पे भी ये सेम चीज अवेलेबल है. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड दिस ऑन जेप्टो तो संस्कृति होम के ब्रांड के अंडर यू विल गेट दिस. सो आई थॉट दैट दिस इज अ कूल टिप टू शेयर कि अगर आपको कोई चीज अमेजोन पे महंगी लग रही है तो आपको लिटरली वो जेप्टो या कहीं और प्लेटफॉर्म पे सस्ती मिल सकती है. आई फील दिस इज बिकॉज they are just launching and getting started, so they have a lot of steal deals on their platform. So you can go and grab it. If your size is available, you can go and order. And I had my size available, so मैंने Zepto से मंगाया ये जो कि मुझे legit 600 या 650 के रेंज में मिल गया था. So yeah, these were my top 3 picks for the summertime night wear. Honestly, I really love this and I would recommend all 3 of these to you guys because इसका quality बहुत अच्छा है. Price point के लिए absolutely worth it है. ये तीनों ही बहुत सारे sizes में available है. तो even if you are a plus size girly or a mid size girly or you fit under different size categories or body types, आपके लिए ये तीनों में बहुत options है. They do have options in colors, in prints and all of that. You can go and check it out. If you want links to any of these, I am dropping it in the description box down below. Trust me, you guys are going to love this one. If you are new to the channel, please go and subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comment section what type of videos will you guys want to see in the future. I would love to make those. Also comment down below if you want me to try something more or new. I would love to order that and try it for you guys. See you guys on next Sunday. Until then, love and light.